Monday morning, and I am trying to start the car. But this is what you get. Sometimes I work it. So, what next? I think you just have to learn the hard way, especially when you're a woman with no men in the house. So you just have to learn things the hard way. So let's get to it. Open the bonnet. Good. Just here. Tutakuwa late shule.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright.